Tonight we're learning more about the latest bizarre twist in the Jeffrey Willis murder saga. We broke this story online earlier today that Willis's lead attorney in the Jessica Heringa and Rebecca Blech murder cases has switched sides. He's now working for the prosecutor's office. 24-Hour News 8's Ken Kolker is back after speaking with the prosecutor, the public defender, and the attorney who's moving. He's joining us in studio control with the latest. Ken?
Yeah, Marla, the attorney who's making the move told us the prosecutor will learn nothing from him about the Jeffrey Willis case.
Well, it won't give him an unfair advantage because I'm not going to talk about the case.
Talking about it, he says, would violate ethics rules, as Willis's lead attorney, Brian Hosticka, has been pitted against the Muskegon County Prosecutor's Office, at times in heated arguments.
Basically, our position is going to be that the prosecution is using Mr. Willis as a tool in his own prosecution.
But he is leaving the public defender's office and will start working for the prosecutor in 2 weeks. People looking from the outside will think, this is really strange going to the competition.
Well, they may think that, but this kind of thing happens. I mean, I'm not going to comment why I'm changing jobs, but I thought it was the best thing for me.
I would certainly, if I were watching this and I weren't an attorney, I'd be, holy cow, how can they do that?
The public defender says that he plans to ask a judge on Monday whether the move gives the prosecutor an unfair advantage.
You have the lead attorney for a ongoing case, a major case, going to work for literally the other side.
The trial in the 2014 slaying of jogger Rebecca Blech is scheduled to start September 12th, but no date has been set for murder and kidnapping charges in the 2013 disappearance of Jessica Heringa, whose body has not been found. Could this lead to another delay in this case?
Yes.
Prosecutor DJ Hilson says Hosticka approached him about an opening in the office. He says Hosticka will work with the family division and have nothing to do with the Willis case.
Lawyers move around from law firm to law firm and from private sector to public sector all the time. And we have a specific ethical rule that tells us that if there's a conflict that you create, essentially what they call a Chinese wall between you and that lawyer.
Hosticka says Willis is aware of his move.
I talked to him several times. I talked to him today, as a matter of fact. He's aware of everything that's happening, and he knows he's going to get a good defense.
Now, Fred Johnson, the head of the public defender's office, says he expects to take over now as the lead attorney. The prosecutor says he's preparing for the Rebecca Blech case as if it will go on as scheduled on September 12th. Now, that could go for at least 2 weeks. In studio control, Ken Kolker, 24-Hour News 8.